मैं आपसे यस और नो वाले क्वेश्चन पूछूं, क्या मुझे ऐसा करने की जरूरत थी? तो आप कैसे बोलोगे? यस यू नीडेड टू डू। कैसे बोलोगे? यस यू। और नहीं जरूरत थी, यू डिडंट नीड। आपसे पूछूंगा डिड यू नीड टू डू दैट, तो आप कैसे बोलोगे? यस आई नीडेड टू डू दैट। और नहीं, नो आई डिडंट नीड टू डू दैट बोलूंगा यहाँ पे। ठीक है, ओके। सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक? टेल मी। ओके, व्हेन आई वाज फीलिंग सिक, व्हेन आई वाज फीलिंग, डिड आई नीड टू टेक सम मेडिसिन्स? Yes, you needed to take some. And no, no, you didn't need to take some medicines. Okay, like in my past, I wanted to become a topper. I wanted to become a. So what do you think? Did I need to study more in my past? Yes, you needed to study more in your past. Or no, you didn't need to. No, you didn't need to study more in your past, like someone can say. Okay, when I was feeling very cold, when I was feeling very, so what do you think? Did I need to wear more clothes at that time? Yes, you needed to wear more clothes at that time. And no, no, you didn't need to wear more clothes at that time. What do you think? When I was feeling hungry, when I was feeling hungry or very hungry, or when I was starving, did I need to eat something at that time? Yes, you needed to eat something at that time. And no, no, you didn't need to eat something at that time, like someone can say. Okay, like when I was feeling very tired, when I was feeling very tired, or when I was feeling exhausted, what do you think? Did I need to take some rest at that moment? Yes, you needed to take some rest at that moment. And no, you didn't need to take some rest at that moment. Okay, when I was feeling exhausted, when I was feeling exhausted, did I need to change my clothes? Yes, you needed to change your. Or no? No, you didn't need to change your clothes. Okay, when I wanted to become healthy, when I wanted to become healthy in my past, what do you think? Did I need to eat some healthy food? Yes, you needed to eat some. And no, you didn't need to eat some healthy food, like someone can say. Okay, if I wanted to become a good speaker, if I wanted to become a good speaker in my past, what do you think? Did I need to practice every day? Yes, you needed to practice every day. And no, no, you didn't need to practice every day, like someone can say. Okay, if I want to become a good cricketer, if I wanted to become a good cricketer, what do you think? Did I need to join a sports academy? मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, डिड यू करके पूछूंगा, ठीक है? कैसे करके पूछूंगा? डिड यू नीड टू। आप कैसे बोलोगे? यस आई नीडेड टू। यस आई। डिड यू नीड टू चेंज योर माइंड? यस आई नीडेड टू चेंज माई। डिड यू नीड टू बिकम अ गुड पर्सन? Okay, did you need to follow the traffic rules? Did you need to live your life according to your choice? Yes, I needed to live my life according to my choice. You need to drink some water when you were feeling thirsty. Yes, I needed to drink some water when I was feeling thirsty. Okay, जैसे did you need to drive that car carefully? Yes, I needed to drive that car carefully. Okay, did you need to drive slowly? Yes, I needed to drive slowly. Okay, did you need to eat something when you were feeling hungry? Did you need to invite your friends on your birthday? Yes, I needed to invite my friends on my birthday, like someone can say. Okay, did you need to take back your money from your friend? Oh, yes, I needed to take my money back from my friends, like someone can say. Okay, did you need to study more? Yes, I needed to study. Did you need to shut the door? Did you need to apologize him? Yes, I need to apologize. Did you need to say sorry? Yes, I need to say sorry. Okay. Did you need to stop talking? Yes, I need to stop talking. Did you need to cross the road carefully? Yes, I needed to cross the road carefully. Yes, I needed to cross the road carefully. Did you need to sleep for more time? Yes, I needed to sleep for more time. Yes, I needed to sleep for more time. Did you need to take care of your parents? Yes, I needed to take care of my parents. Did you need to change your behavior? Yes, I needed to change my behavior. Okay. Like, did you need to choose your words carefully? Yes, I needed to choose my words. Yes, I needed to choose my words carefully. Okay, did you need to translate in your head when you wanted to become a good speaker? No, I didn't need to. कैसे बोलोगे? No, I didn't need to translate in my head if I wanted to become a good speaker in my past. Okay. Did you need to value your time? Yes, I need to value my time. Did you need to stop them? Yes, I need to stop them. Did you need to stay there for a while? Yes, I needed to stay there for a while. Yes, I needed to stay there for a while. Okay. Did you need to change your clothes? Yes, I needed to change my clothes. Did you need to take proper sleep last night? Yes, I needed to sleep last night. Okay. Just say, did you need to convince them? Yes, I needed to convince them. Yes, I needed to. Or no? No, I needed to convince them. Did you need to take your decisions yourself? Yes, I needed to take my decisions myself. Yes, I needed to take my decisions myself. And no? No, I didn't need to take my decisions myself, like you can say. Did you need to admire their work? Yes, I needed to admire their work. Yes, I needed to admire their work. And no? I didn't need to admire their work. Okay. Did you need to appreciate their work? Yes, I needed to appreciate their work. Yes, I needed to appreciate their work. Okay. Did you need to answer their question? Yes, I needed to answer their question. Yes, I needed to answer their question. Now I'm just changing the subject, okay? Now I'll ask you, did we need to? How would I ask? Did we need to? How would you say? Yes, we needed to. Yes, we needed to. And no, we didn't need to. Oh, we didn't need to. Okay. Just say, did we need to arrive on time? Yes, we needed to arrive on time. Yes, we needed to arrive on time. And no? We didn't need to arrive on time. Did we need to appoint more employees? Yes, we needed to appoint. Did we need to ask more questions? Yes, we needed to ask more questions. Okay. Did we need to believe them? Yes, we needed to. Did we need to behave politely? Yes, we needed to behave politely. Did we need to behave rudely? Yes, we needed to behave rudely. Did we need to bless them? Yes, we needed to bless them. Did we need to break the laws? Yes, we needed to break the laws. Okay. Did we need something for them? Yes, we needed to bring. How would I say? Yes, we needed to bring something for them. Did we need to borrow money from them? Yes, we needed to borrow money from them. Okay. Did we need to buy something new? Yes, we needed to buy something. Did they need to call us? Yes, they needed to call. Okay. Did he need to carry luggage? Yes, he needed to carry. Did she need to catch butterflies? Yes, she needed to catch. Did she need to clean her room? Yes, she need to clean her. Okay. Did she need to change her behavior? Did she need to change her mind? Did she need to change her thinking? Did she need to change her way of talking? Yes, she needed to change her way of. Did she need to check her bag? Yes, she needed to check her. Did she needed to clap on your speech? Yes, she needed to clap on your. Did she need to copy in the exam? No, she didn't need to copy in the exam. Did she need to collect more money? Did she need to complain us? Did she need to cook something delicious? Yes, she needed to cook something delicious. Okay. Did she count the money? Did she need to count the money? Yes, she needed to count the